There is an enemy. You cannot see it, you cannot fight it, and most people don't even know it exists. But it has been silently running your life, your income, your confidence, your sense of worth, ever since the day you were born. It has two names: the British curriculum and the ego. They are the same enemy. One colonized our land, the other colonized our soul. Hi, I'm Gopal Krishnan, and if you're new here, welcome. And in the last 15 years, I have worked with thousands of Indian coaches and helped them to scale to multiple crores in revenue. We ourselves do multiple 8 figures every year. I am documenting all my learnings here so that coaches in India are getting the education which I spent a lot of time, money and pain learning. If this resonates with you, consider subscribing. Let me tell you a story. In 1835, Lord Macaulay stood before the British Parliament and said,
"We must create a class of people that Indians in blood and colour, but English in taste, in opinions, in morals and in intellect."
This was not education, this was a weapon. They looked at a civilization that produced people like Aryabhatta, Chanakya and Vivekananda. Souls that were so full of light that they even reach us today. And they thought, we need to dismantle this. So they abolished the Gurukul, the ancient system where the Guru didn't teach the subjects. The Guru awakened the student's soul, where learning arose from the inside out, and where seva was woven into the daily life. They replaced this beautiful system with a factory designed to produce one thing: compliance. Let's take the Indian toilet. Squatting is the most physiologically correct position for the human body. Doctors know it, Ayurveda knows it 5000 years back. The squat perfectly aligns with the colon. It is literally how the human body was designed. But the British came and said, this is so primitive, and instead they wanted us to sit on this porcelain throne. They said this is how the civilized people do it. Now, 3 generations later, we have forgotten what our own bodies knew. We install Western toilets and feel upgraded and feel uncomfortable with the Indian ones. And the beauty is, we were convinced to be ashamed of something that is actually superior. And that is what this ego-driven curriculum did to your soul. When your soul is operating from the inside out, from purpose, it was in its natural and most powerful position. Instead of leading a life from the soul and finding your soul's purpose and leading a life of spirituality, we have come to a situation where we say, all that is beautiful, but I have bills to pay. So, let me get to the point of this video. This video is not going to be what the curriculum taught you, but will tell you exactly what your soul is designed for. And I hope through this video, I help you realize that the moment you return to your true nature, everything starts working better. Now I'm going to take the example of everyone's favorite subject, that is money. I run a community where we train online coaches to do marketing and get sales for their program. But before they try any business strategies, we teach them a process called Money Yoga. Now I want to show this with an example we use in our community. Money Yoga is the Indian toilet for you to develop a healthy relationship with money so that you don't chase money, you attract money. Now, this is not some woo-woo concept. What we are going to explain right now is to how to align to your soul's desire, because the cat receives the rat every single day because it is aligned to the soul's desire. So if you are able to align to your soul, your money goals will be automatically taken care of. So your soul's desire is to raise the frequency of the world. The honeybee every single day goes to the flower and takes the honey from the flower. That's how it helps that flower to become a fruit. Without the honeybee, there will be no fruits and we all will die. If a honeybee has a soul's purpose, we also have a soul's purpose to raise the frequency of the world with money. That is what this soul unicorn represents. Your soul already has your goal as long as you're aligning to the desire of raising the frequency of the world. These 6 unicorns are the 6 dimensions of your soul. The golden unicorn represents your soul that is full of love, magic, power, fun and creativity, that has no room of any fear, doubt, worry, anxiety and stress from the ego. The earth unicorn is your identity. You are not born to just fulfill your ego's desire, get a home for yourself, get a car. You are here to raise the frequency of the world. As long as you are operating from the energy and audacity of this earth unicorn, you're going to manifest every goal because your soul already has your goal. The fire unicorn is your beliefs. You are born on this world to solve the world's problems and people's problems, not worry about your own stress or depression. And when you're fully operating from these beliefs create your behavior, and this behavior will automatically grow your money. The air unicorn represents your thoughts. Your dominant thoughts every single day should not be from your ego on selfish things. Instead, you should always think about what are the new ideas I can use, what are the new things I can do to solve the world's problems and solve the people's problems. This is the water unicorn, where you are already feeling the emotions of what would happen to you after you solved some of the world's problems and some of the people's problems. What is the joy with which you would be operating from? The space unicorn represents your habits. The only habit you have to remember is to remember who you are. You are here to operate from your soul as a unicorn king or a queen. And when you remember who you are and act from that energy and audacity as the only habit, you will be able to embody the energy of your soul in each and every activity you do. That is how these 6 unicorns will help you to embody the identity and energy inside your body that can help you to hold more capacity for more money. This is money yoga, where you are aligned to your soul's desire spiritually, psychologically, and physically. These 6 unicorns are nothing but the representation of your soul's desire. Let me give you a secret on how to attract 10x more money in your life that our community members use. We function from 2 operating systems. One is called the ego operating system that is created by the British curriculum. The second is the soul operating system, which we traditionally use to be rich. You have to stop operating from your ego's desires and start operating from your soul's desires. Your ego's desires will create so much fear, doubt, worry, anger, and impatience. And when you have that kind of relationship with money, money is not attracted towards you. But when you're operating from your soul operating system, money is attracted to you as a person because you are fully about solving the world's problems and the people's problems. So you have to uninstall the ego operating system and operating from the soul operating system, where you're always looking to solve problems of people. And when you're doing that, your eyes will start to see opportunities on making 10x more money. But that doesn't happen when your mind and soul is not clear. Now let me tell you how an average Indian experiences money in his life. He sees the bills and it creates so much fear in him. Every single step that he is taking is full of anxiety, anger, and impatience. From that kind of an operating system, he can never succeed. And that is why it is so important for you to function from your soul operating system. The basic premise of the soul operating system is raising the frequency of the world by solving people's problems. The bigger the problem you solve from your soul, the bigger the money you make. And you are not able to see those opportunities right now because you are stuck in operating from your day-to-day ego. And if you want a detailed roadmap on how to attract more opportunities and attract 10x more money, we have a weekly webinar where we explain only this concept. I will leave the link in the description. You can check it out. Thousands of people have attended this workshop and they have removed their money block from their ego. If you are free for 90 minutes, please attend this workshop. Remember, when it comes to money, it is about removing the blocks in your body that is staying in the way of your goals. I hope this video was useful and I will see you in the next one. If you want to watch other videos about coaching and mindset, click here.